The main difference is these components are all stainless steel, other supplies are iron. These screws and the springs inside are stainless steel. There are specially customized spring plates inside, and other supplies are ball-based, which does not feel good. There is a flange design here, other supplies do not have. This involves the installation strength of the lock. This part very important. There are resistant parts in these places, and the open feeling is very good. There is an insert inside this red handle, which other supplies do not have. Without this insert, the handle is easily damaged and not durable. There are resistant pieces in these places also.